When you're outside and working with your hands, you feel connected to the larger ecosystem. I wanted to find a way to hold on to that serenity and avoid the stresses that gardening often entails. When I was 16, I created the Real Gardening Strip, which places seed and nutrients at the correct depth and distance apart in a biodegradable color-coded seed tape. For me, it was important to also uplift my social environment. So I designed the strip to be handmade by previously unemployed mothers. Real Gardening has been involved with over 3,000 school and community projects that links the growing to the school curriculum. With compassion and innovation, I think we can make a real difference. Growth is beautiful to be part of.